Hola chicos, hoy vamos a continuar con los verbos irregulares del subjuntivo. Hi guys, today we are going to continue working with the subjunctive irregular verbs. I have attached the notes that accompany this presentation in your Google Classroom. Please be sure to have your notes while you watch the video. Okay, let's begin. The following verbs are these 5 verbs are verbs that are irregular in the subjunctive. Ir, saber, ser, dar, and estar. These verbs are usually irregular in a lot of different tenses, so they shouldn't be that hard to remember. But they do conjugate in different forms. Let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look at the verb ir, which will change into yo vaya, tú vayas, él vaya, nosotros vayamos, ellos vayan. And saber changes to yo sepa, tú sepas, él sepa, nosotros sepamos, ellos sepan. The best way to learn these is to memorize them. So I'm going to go over the rest of the verbs with you so that you know the conjugations and you can memorize them. Let's take a look at the next 2 verbs. Ser would change into yo sea, tú seas, él sea, nosotros seamos, ellos sean. And dar changes into yo de, tú des, él de, nosotros demos, ellos den. Please remember to use the accent marks. For the verb den, there is an accent mark on the E in the yo and the el form of the verb. And for the last verb, estar. Yo esté, tú estés, él esté, nosotros estemos, ellos estén. Now let's practice. On the first practicemos section of your notes, I'd like you to take a few minutes and conjugate the following irregular verbs in the subjunctive. Please pause the video here and take a few minutes and practice these. Now that you have practiced conjugating the irregular verbs in the subjunctive, let's take a look at a new weirdo expression. And this is going to be the D in weirdo. These are doubt and denial. The following are expressions of doubt and denial that require the subjunctive. Okay, these are the following verbs: dudar, to doubt. Es dudoso, it's doubtful. No creer, to not believe. No pensar, to not think. No estar seguro, to not be sure. No es verdad, it's not true. No es cierto, it's not true. Now let's practice the weirder expression doubt with the subjunctive. Please take a few minutes and conjugate the following sentence in the second section of Practiquemos. This has concluded our lesson for today. We will discuss the translations in class tomorrow. Adios.